Obi aja tum say commander says on kwan be kan say the cimetiere e frititi on say sanda sene net tie na no sa ne etie bi dia kwasisia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edusi e fara sekese e koma Kingdom Herbal Center e bibidro mu okunni kese pa owura amufa nyame ne de ache no onu kwa na tisi nwura mu a otitili se ya obi onu mkin mudro bia nu wonu ho da tira bia mekam se ya de ba ko se ekuni paye pa aye cholesterol mentra se ma cholesterol enku wa bra Kingdom garlic bitters and a Kingdom garlic capsules e ho no unye bebe boa wo ebe boa papa ebe te cholesterol ni so kra turu nya ko na ko check ni aka so cholesterol no e wo sura sere wada pe Kingdom garlic bitters and a Kingdom garlic capsules ni bi etonum o ma ba bi eton do bi akwa asebe ka bi ato etufo enfre 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. So and a quick one and a brain so my first way no short no and Galley Bishop for issue statement now they are calling our president say on declare state of emergency but we back come kan ya striking the bebre adwi say this should be the last page of their statement yeah or say West Galamsey has matured into a threat to national security. It enriches criminal cartels, breeds lawlessness, and foments violent conflict in mining communities. Yet, in the face of this, the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, appears not to grasp with the existential scale of the menace. In both January and May 2025, delegations of our conference raised these concerns directly with him, only to be met with unsatisfactory responses focused narrowly on economic gain. Alamsa said at his meet the press session of 10 September 2025, he dismissed calls for a state of emergency. This is profoundly troubling. The hour is late. Delay is betrayal. Now, not tomorrow, not later, is the time to act. We are so fuku, you are more romakalik asafunimu. And also, one man penny John Dramani Mahama Kodi Galamsey Unkomo in January and May 2025. The response by any moment is emphasis ye free miners so no and a so but any the effect of Galamsey on my Ghana. Today no make us me actually say and yet ya no fafa say I will deal with Galamsey, I will deal with Galamsey. There be and yet I'm no fafa. And your action. Me see me bisa say Attorney General letter no trekoma yoko penny say there's a credible report here just Joseph Yamin any abanga eye Galamsey et yoko for him no akosi say that Attorney General letter no koma yoko no akosi say apan brief Ghana for enyam na meka yo the Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayeni was a credible report suggests to say Joseph Yamini Abanga, the third vice chairman of NDC, Eye Galamsey, and they are involved in Galamsey. Eti yoko enshim san shemuno akwa kwesi say. Eti ma adwini nyina kwa say oh, ade yes enye but scare free woman so ye tim ye di enfem free ho dia. We can't eat our cake and still have it. That's what the last time I say, my penny. Idea bakwa ka Ghana ye when it comes to the fight against Galamsey and the political will and commitment. From day one, ebesi na ye ka say that is one thing on my Ghana ye. Asoja fu edo ko ngurem a police for wan me say IGP mrante bi na ye omunya magic bia. Omunya magic bia the same to Dukadaya. See hey obi akopɛ no obedie. Obi akopɛ no obedie. Yeah, ni nyina ne ye and the commitment and political will of our president to show say yes anyway yempe. So His Excellency John Dramani Mahama me pacho catch no yoko boss ne say ye perceive who outcome of the investigation about Joseph Yami any Abanga involvement in Galamsey no yeah Attorney General ye perceive who the outcome say akwa to say o se pe no obi ayedin anso obi ayedin. And the Attorney General told us a credible report. So already the Attorney General come up paint the picture be am say. You menya positive response the film. You menya as usual party performance no ya whitewash your. Because for Attorney General to come out and say a credible report, yes, I just said Joseph Yami and Abanga are involved in illegal mining activities for Ghana there. And can you say take you this long? You go penny yebisao say identity chesa. If President Mahama is committed to fight Galamsey, why are we not giving update on Joseph Yamin any Abanga involvement in Galamsey according to Attorney General? Yabi am kasi Yankopon hu ya mo patro fra kwa mo ba de wa me. Nyame hu o mai mo bo. On share in the biasa. Aka so be di akire say ya. Ha. Awreho. Asifim. For Cali Bishop Conference to tell us say Adia Mampeni Edwin when it comes to the fight against Galamsey, the financial benefits to the state. It tells you the commitment of our president towards that fight. This is according to Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference. So Adia Mampeni Edwin want to know the financial gains the nation is getting from mining. Kwambra. So I catch up behind my way no. I catch us in Yamia on the 27th of September 2025. Here in a church here. Bukom Arena. Here in a church here. Bukom Arena. Dame and eba. Dame and the Ebrewonti. Can never care one. Send Yakupon Yard 27th of September 2025. Here in a church here. Bukom Arena. Nyanko to Dame. Say first na Dame Niaka to a fee says you can for Juma. And then for so about me doing me. Oto chatakra unya seska no. Sure. It is here the channel. 2020. Yes. 2020 say ya. And the kind. Ochia say na me chia mpadu de kan yen. Etim chi kwame anu atwe ba ko de ato a. Me chi me anu atwe de ato a. Also onya nchimi de. Ontimi ntimi antwe bi antwe. Okay. Me ne kro so da ni hu idea bia. Say do di kan ye de ma Mako 20 and a 2. Each side be a dam no to say we say colors ni different. Okay. Depending on the dam now what to know. You are black and white. Okay. But dam ye nimpa ye dia is that man no bronin for rubber de na my. Okay. Dam we na ye nim nti ye use the traditional dam no. Yeah. Ye say emfita mu ha say no ye ni ho agro. Okay. Or enka agro no ho. Okay. See what pa e foul bronin agro anko better say e foul. Nti 2020 na ye be pia sa ko ti say wo dia dodo ba be me ho a to nsa antu biem okay na ekiraba uta agro bia o win wom football wo se go a na wo win basketball never connect mu a na onke ha so be win ni a age se ya to aduru ba bia me piem na fe dia ya kan me dia do so sen wa se me na me di nko wo di ana me akra me pa ba me ka so ba bia kwa me di madure dia yo nim to pa no otaye sa so me calculate say da bi me fa ha se me fa so na womia me akasa nche munum tum ye no to a wo se we kura ne dia be 9 seconds wo jagu eti eda mem ne dade ne expect dia ebesie ni e de say ebi ense da AC da bebri akoso ba dia no den Adom FM type Adom FM and as a multimedia touch Adom TV touch ebi ense da amada this is the very maiden one ye eti be say history we be bia wo bia no ba ma wo din aba be kasa history dia tie ni ya hyase Africa Greater Accra ye chemu ye wo
Western, yes, I saw our Ashanti.
Okay.
And no young cohort.
Okay.
This Saturday, dear, a year Saturday,
okay, 27th September.
September.
Okay.
Accra.
Greater Accra, dear.
Yeah, share registration, and run about the 2 January.
Yeah.
You register.
Okay.
What's sending WhatsApp message, and you send a link.
Okay.
On our registration.
Okay.
Now, about the count. The fear that are obey.
Yeah.
Your balloting.
Okay.
You don't be back.
Okay.
Now, you say you become boxing
arena. Okay. This time, Bukomba, any 80 powers. This time, the mentality of
the human faculty of the obligors. And you can use.
Kwame, that's me, Dayenshia.
Because I want to say, what to me a piano, piano,
with him too. With him to be coming here. Yeah, for a second, I come back. Kingdom Herbal Center, Nakofa, Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, the Abajaso, a director touching Wasua, a buana ati cholesterol, so, and I don't know. Or maybe be a turn to be a no some can be at home. At 4 and fresh 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and a 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or si no challenge. I'm going to say asne me Asem Yi Di Ka dwumadie eto aso e de mafia ko Asante Mantemu Asante ma .ye no ene any day 2 nana say ampofo agen ene mreku mo ayekado ye kure ko se ne kumase .ye day 2 no e ko de fa ne fa pese mu ento aso